on the Grand Splatch. Can you see Asterix up there, sat on top of his little mountain? There we go. Pegasus. Oh. Here we go, you ready? Woo! Oh no! Oh, well, at least they're turning off, in fairness. I'm pretty sure these didn't turn off last time. Yeah. Oh, it's a pair of eyes in that barrel staring at us there. That's brilliant.
Le bateau continue tout droit vers notre piège infaillible.
It's a nicely themed attraction, this. Oh, this one is not turning. Oh, it is, yeah, we're alright. We're alright. Except it's leaving it to the very last minute. Yeah. Oh, I see two tatties there.
Comme ça.
Steven's really good on this.
Mais non, pas les petits focus. Oui, bon. On enchaîne les enfants, on enchaîne.
It's really funny. This actually looks like it's had a bit of a refresh actually since.
Passe devant les cibles, on leur tire dessus.
On les harponne, on les embrasse, on les...
On n'y voit plus rien, capitaine. Il y a trop de brouillard.
Je ne veux pas le savoir. Tirez.
Oh.
Qui va tirer dessus?
Oh, look, the bush is moving.
On continue. Tous au prochain piège. Voilà la surprise du capitaine.
Yeah, I think in the summer they must have stuff turned up because you get absolutely drowned in it. Yeah. I say summer, it's about the same time of year, isn't it? It's very hot, yeah. Yeah.
Non, non, j'ai de la grâce, de la séduction.
There he is.
Piège suivant.
Maintenant, on va casser le barque. Ce serait plutôt casser la barque. Pour être précis, c'est pareil. Tirez!
I was not prepared for this. That was unnecessary.
Funny.
J'ai moi-même dessiné les plans. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça?
I wasn't prepared for that. Oh no.
J'ai pris des cours de latin. Pas de menuiserie.
My foot's soaking wet now. Just one foot.
What?
Yeah, these didn't turn off, definitely.
On a gardé le meilleur piège pour la fin.
Bon, cette fois, fini la subtilité. J'ai carrément dévié le cours d'eau pour les entraîner dans notre enquête.
Got deviation up.
Tirez la montée!
Oh no. Oh no. Short turn this time.
Voilà la surprise.
Oh, here we go. Here's your big drop.
Oh no, yeah. Hold on, Eden. Can you hold on?
Allez, à Jacques 15.
Oh no!
Encore une citation latine et je te fais avaler ta canne.
Oh, that's good fun. That's the Grand Splatch.